Yeah, this is just a short tutorial on how to play Between Us by Little Mix. Okay, so before we start, there's 3 chords that you need to know. Alright, so you need to know D, okay, E minor, and C. Okay, so it goes the same all the way through, basically. It just goes D, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. Start again. D, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. Start again. And then you just keep doing that all the way through. Now, if you want to make it sound a little bit better, what you want to do is put the and beats in between. So like this, I'll show you what I mean. You go big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Just make sure that the and beats are really small. So you just kind of just strum the top, like a couple of strings just there. Right, anyway, if you've liked this video, please like and subscribe, just because it helps boost my channel. Alright, thank you.